Alright you guys, I am back in a different Five Below, so it looks like almost the same candy, and while I'm here I am gonna pick up two of these because again these do sell out fast. They do have a Santa one, so if you could go through that, babe, and get some good ones. Only need two.
I think one's regular and one's grape.
Oh, grape? No grape. They have candy shot glasses. It says $1.25 each or 5 for 5.
But these are both original. Okay, cool.
Ghirardelli peppermint and bark. You have a bag of coal. Of course, Krabby Patties.
Oh.
And these are 5. Okay, we've seen those. And the large one is $5. I think everything might be somewhat the same. Maybe just a tad different. Greeting cards. Oh look, jungle all the way. Oh, I hope the zoo has a light. They did one where you drive around, but who wants to drive around? You want to get off. Oh gosh, look at the dinosaur one. So funny. So in this location they have Charlie Brown singing Dear Santa Claus. Okay, I like this, but again, sweatshirt for me, and maybe without the deer. Okay, and they have plenty of the same candy canes, Jelly Belly. Now you're gonna find these in Walmart, but Walmart is gonna be a little more pricier. I just came from there. Here's some gnome pajama bottoms. There's the nutcracker. So let me walk to the front. They have Santa Baby, the sweater. Again, I feel like this is more for around the home because of the material. And they have these large candy canes. Look at that! For the core. Oh, that'd be kind of cool. Tree collar 5. Okay, this location has a little bit of decor. The 4-foot white tree, which is right here. So it looks like they also have a wreath with plastic ornaments. A few more porcelain trees. They have the white one today. And tinsel. These are $3. So I found this LED webcam. It comes with a light, built-in mic, plug and play for 10. The green tree is here. That's what it looks like. A lot of people like to have one for their room. And they have the silver tree color. And this location, few fur stockings, pink. And back with the socks for you and your doggy this time. Those are kind of funny. You have Santa, they're gonna squeak. This one has little gnomes in it they could pull out, some mental play, and like a gingerbread. These are cat toys, a few sweaters. So the speakers are $5.95. They're on the go, so a little on the go. And you know what? People in my neighborhood, the children, they do hear their music now. They're not like in their heads anymore with the earphones. Everyone likes to blast their music when they're walking, riding their bike. And this one, bass boosting sound. At first I thought that was a steering wheel. I was like, that's different. Here's a Bluetooth one. That one's a little different. Let me see. Levels, gaming speakers, cute little shark like a dinosaur, sloth, and a rainbow. Fit for your AirPods. Okay. That shark one is actually really funny. They even have like this sushi one. Here's a Friends. In this location they have the reindeer cozy slippers, so they're still setting up here. Ornaments, these are all $5. Oh, those are so adorable. Oh gosh, you guys, they have Family Guy down here. That's really funny. Look at Homer. Look at Tina. She's in a present. Tina, you go, Tina. And some Disney. Here is Stitch. He is only $5. I like them because they're shattered proof. Offer little bags of Skittles now. These are $3 for fun size, so not bad if you're doing stockings for multiple people. They also have them in gummy bears, which is really cool. New books, Attack of Titan. I still haven't finished the series. I'm really behind on it. Cheese Sweet Home. Okay, we have Scoop, TikToker stars. Okay. Cute, like little stationary set That would be a cute little side gift. This is kind of cool. Star Wars, a 16 months 2022 meme calendar. Hang in there. Look at Luke. Chewie, single blue eyes. Likes long walks in the forest. How funny.
He's 7'2".
Where do they hide the cookies? Oh, look. R2D2 is not going to tell you. He's going to steal your candy. They also have a Nightmare. That is actually really, really cool. So they have gummy rolls. I didn't know that. Huh, interesting. Those are new for me, and I don't see anything too new in the candy area, but this stuff is pretty good for stockings, toxic waste. My children like these two up here, so these are good for a stocking stuffer. The Pez is out. You have Elf, Bear, Reindeer, Santa Claus. Oh, this one's new. Look at this. Cosmic Moon Zen Garden. Aroma Diffusers. Nothing too new in the pillow department. Okay, so we've seen the cloud and rainbow, but look, you guys, they have a star one too. He's gonna light up. That is really cute. And they have a moon with legs. What? He's gonna turn on. Oh, they're so cute. A few dinosaurs in here. I like this colorful purple one. So it looks like they're bringing out all the lip balm. Look at JoJo. My daughter used to have her lip balm way long ago. Hershey's are $5. You know, Pepsi and Frozen. Oh, this one's new. They have a bath set. So you get cookies and cream, scented bubble bath, chocolate body wash, and bath bombs. Spider-Man, like a lip balm and like cologne. And they have JoJo. And it looks like they're going to put out a few gift sets here. A lot of makeup stuff, you know. These are only $5. You have glitter, eyeshadow, nail polish, mascara, and a lip gloss. More nail polish. These are $5. And here's a whole set. Stay glossy. You need a little thing of blenders. And this is Contour Cafe. Okay, put your little blender in this container. What is this one? Oh, like shiny lip gloss. Kimberly, Sinful Berry, Pineapple, Our Time, Very Sexy. A lot of Kimberly. Kimberly Diamond, Paris Lights, Pink Candy. It looks like a lotion, perfume, and body spray. The Beauty Bag Face Mask Set. These are $5. You get Soothing. Looks like Deep Clean, Hydrating, Rejuvenating. Oh yeah, Freeman. They're pretty good too, and only $5. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Five Below. So they have the butterfly room light, like neon. You know what? Let me walk over there. The gamer is still here. You have the green and blue. Here's the butterfly, the LED fountain, and the moonlight projector. All this is still here. All right, you guys. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.